Smelly bathroom for 30 days. Do not buy more expensive products, just do it. To start today's tip, in a container we will add 500 milliliters of detergent. Do not worry about the amount of ingredients. Because this product has a high yield, then we will also use 100 milliliters of vinegar inside the container, and then the ideal is to mix well. Tell me if you have any homemade tricks to help with cleaning the house using detergent and vinegar. I'd love to know. I will also add 50 milliliters of fabric softener, being the item responsible for bringing the smell that your bathroom needs. Do it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Ideally mix well until you have the consistency for the mixture. It's really impressive how efficient it is once it's done. The ideal is to put the mixture totally in some bottle. Here I'm using the same detergent packaging. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Minerva Martinez. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After putting the mixture completely, we should just drill holes in the bottom of the bottle, and then we can already use the mixture. Simply place the bottle we have prepared inside the toilet bowl. This will make your bathroom stay scented for much longer. The holes we made in the bottle will ensure that our mixture spreads gradually each time the discharge is triggered. After activating the discharge, we can see the magic of cleaning happen. The action of our product is almost immediate. I never had problems with bad smells or bad odor in my bathroom. If you want, you can also perform a light brushing to achieve better results. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you this foolproof trick. Even your friends will ask you, what is the secret to keeping the bathroom so fragrant? Instead, I make this tip super easy, fast, and much more efficient. Best of all, you can customize with different types of detergent to find the scent that suits you best. This trick transformed the way I keep my bathroom scented. I'm sure it will change your life too. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.